Hello everyone and welcome to iDay. What is iDay? iDay is the day that we move into our iPlanners. I've created step-by-step videos that you can follow and look over my shoulder and literally have your iPlanner completely set up and running once you complete the series. These videos are short. Some of them are only 10 minutes, some of them are 15 minutes, and I think there's only six or seven of them. I don't remember. When you complete the series, you'll be already set up and running for 2020. That way you can coast through December and transition into January effortlessly. I have some super incentives for you to participate in these series. There's homework with each video, and I'm going to reward you for doing your homework. Okay, so the way this is going to work, these videos are going to be posted on the iPlanner Facebook group, and it's going to start at 10 a.m. and that's Eastern time, and there'll be one video per hour. That gives you plenty of time to watch the 10 or 15 minute video and do the homework. Once you do the homework, simply take a screenshot and post it below the video. It must be posted below the video in order for you to be entered into the 9 drawings that are going to happen after the series. You can post more than one homework assignment, and every time you post a homework assignment, your name gets entered again into the random drawing. The deadline for your homework is going to be Sunday, 12 noon Eastern time. The winners are going to be announced on the iPlanner Facebook group Monday, and that's December 2nd at noon, 12 o'clock Eastern. So let me tell you about the prizes. There's going to be $5 iStore bucks, and you can spend that any way you want in the DSi store. There's going to be 3 $30 iStore bucks to spend any way you want in the DSi store. And then there's going to be one lucky winner that's going to win the planner that I set up step by step in these series. This is a vertical weekly iPlanner, and then of course you can see the palette that I used, the colors that I used, and the cover that I made. All of this will come with the planner. This is the Mason planner, and like I said, it's the vertical weekly. I'm so excited to share this with you and do this with you, and I can't wait to see and hear about how seamlessly you were able to move into your iPlanner after attending this event. Enjoy, good luck, and I will see you in the first video. Bye!